In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in QuickBooks using Intuit. QuickBooks is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and getting acquainted with these account setup steps will help you maintain better financial records. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to QuickBooks by following this link. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Settings menu. This can usually be found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open a menu filled with various options that allow you to customize your QuickBooks experience. One of the key options you'll find in this menu is the Chart of Accounts. This is the section where all your company's accounts are listed. It's essentially the backbone of your financial bookkeeping in QuickBooks. Click on this option to access your accounts. On the Chart of Accounts page, you'll see a list of all existing accounts along with their current balances. To add a new account, look for the New button, which is generally located towards the top of the page. Clicking on this button will open a new window where you can start creating your account. You'll need to type in the name of the account you wish to add. This could be anything from a new revenue stream to tracking a specific set of expenses. After entering a name that highlights the purpose of the account, proceed by highlighting the name if you wish to make any adjustments or reviews to ensure it's accurate. Next, you'll have an option to classify your new account under a proper category. Here, you'll want to select Equity from the list provided. Equity accounts are important as they represent ownership interest, so choosing the correct category is vital for accurate bookkeeping. After selecting Equity, you might see another prompt to highlight the category. This is a chance to ensure your entries are precise and reflect the kind of account you're setting up. Double-check everything here. This will save you from confusion later as you track your accounts. Now, in the same options list, find and click on Owner's Equity. Choosing Owner's Equity specifies that this account is one which tracks the owner's interest in the business, a necessary distinction for clarity in your financial reporting. Finally, once you've completed all necessary details and you're satisfied with your setup, don't forget to hit the Save button. This action confirms your new account and adds it to your Chart of Accounts, ready to use for all future financial activities. And that's it. You've successfully added a new account to QuickBooks. This process may seem detailed, but maintaining precise and organized accounts ensures smoother financial management and reporting. Remember to routinely review your Chart of Accounts to keep everything updated. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial, and see you in the next video.